I just got my mats, rubber mats from FansXPeng, and today we are going to put them on the car. Let me show you. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and this is my ownership diaries, my journey from a nice car to an EV, mainly with my XPeng G6. And today I am bringing you again accessories. Let's go. Let's start by these first ones that are internal. So you can see here the driver mat, the passenger and the back row also mat. And you can see that this is like rubber. I don't know, this is like plastic, okay, not rubber. It's like more plastic. And I already noticed one thing that will have a problem, that it's this part here, because you know that I have installed already some protections over there, and these will be on top of that. So I will need to see if this is okay, or if I need to remove the protection that I put there already. But let's start with these ones. And here, as you can see, we have for the trunk and also for the back of the back seats. So these will reside on the back of the back seats, so that if you recline the back seats so that you have more space for luggage, you can protect those too. So this is the full package of mats that I just received from FansXPeng. And now let's take out the old ones and install these new ones. So let's go here to the car, open the door, and let's take these old original mats that we have here, still very dirty, and let's take them out. And finally, the driver one. You know, this is the one that I said that I have already installed, and that one will stay above this. So I need to see if this can work like that, or if I need to remove it also. So let me just detach this here and just remove the mat. And here we have the old ones. As you can see, especially the driver one was already a little bit wasted here because of the feet that stay here. But let's see how long the new ones will last in my car. So of course that before installing new ones, I need to vacuum clean everything so that we don't have any dirt besides this. So vacuum cleaning is done. I will leave this plastic here anyway, I'm keeping it. So let's take the new ones to their new house. So let's install the first one, front passenger. Let's bring it here, just slide it inside, and it should just get himself in his place. It seems so, it fits perfectly well. Look at this, very simple. And here it is. It fits really, really well. So it slides inside, and then it stays here on top of these places, and it fits really well here. I can even put it here. Yes, really cool. Look at this, guys. So it is really made for this place. Let's take the biggest one now for the back seats. So again, just sliding. I'm doing this with just one hand because I'm holding the camera on the other one. So you can imagine that if you are not recording while installing, it will be much easier. But it does fit well immediately in place. So it's not a big deal. You can slide this in, okay, this part, so that it looks really nice aligned, and it looks fine. Look, guys, this is how it looks inside my G6. Let's do now the driver one. Oh, let me just hold here. So now we will see if this fits with that in place or not. Let's see. So again, we just need to enter, slide it. Okay, I think I don't need to take that out. It seems that it fits again in place without any issues. Let me see. So you may be asking why to change from the original ones to these ones. Well, first, the original ones, as you saw, especially on the driver mat, it's already wasted and it is being much difficult to clean, to vacuum clean that. And with these ones, as they are plastic rubber, it is much easier because you just take them out and you can use, for instance, a water pressure machine to clean everything out. You just go and then just hold them and to dry them out and then just install them again. This is very similar to all the other protections that I already showed you in some other videos. They are plastic, they are rubber that you can just remove, clean at home, and then after drying out, you just install them again and you are ready to go. So this is mainly for that, not for beauty purposes or anything like that. It's just for easy to clean the car. Let's do now the trunk ones, but for these ones, I really don't know how to do it. I believe that the original one, the first one, it's just putting here, but I will probably cover these, so I will need to take it out to open the below compartment if I want it. And for the other ones, I don't really know how to attach them, but let's see if we can figure this out. Let's remove first this thing here. Okay, to remove it, you just need to push here, this part, and everything else comes out. And let's take these ones with me. So I have this one here. I think I understood. I need to take out these things here on the headrests so that I can stick these there. So I just folded the small the one that is individual on the back seats, and it just sits here, as you can see. So it is really cut it to fit here. And as I said, we need to remove the headrest so that we can stick this there. And then I believe that it will just remain as it is right here. So let's try it. Okay guys, so to install it, you need to remove the headrest. To remove, you have a button here on the side that you just press and it will pop out. And then we will just push this up, put it like this, and then install the headrest again here. And it's done. Let me just put down. And it fits pretty well. Let's just move now to its place to see if it looks okay or not. And this is how it looks after installation. So it's okay. It's not the prettiest one, but the idea again, it's not to be pretty, it's to protect these materials. Let's install the other one and then let's see the main one. And that's it. I have already installed this one and it fits well. So it is a little bit loose, okay, but it's okay. It's on the back part of the car, it's okay. I would love to have something that could just hold these here for these parts, but okay, something to improve in the future product, but it is okay to protect the car. So let's install now this one, but I believe that I will have to take these insertions that I made in the last video of accessories, because I believe that these will protect these sides also. Let's see. And yes, as you can see, it will fit pretty well, but I do have to remove these sections here. So let me try to remove them and then see if we can put them back again, or if these will avoid or limit the use of these things that I do like to put here some things already. So let's try it. So I have installed it, and as you can see, it fits pretty well, and you can still use these things here, but there is a catch, and that is what you need to evaluate if you prefer, because using these things here on the side will limit the access to raising these to access the below compartments here. So if you prefer to protect the trunk but have good access to raise this protection so that you can take out something from the back the below compartments, then probably you should not get these accessories and using it in combination with these ones. As I really don't use much the below compartments, I will keep them as it is. Let me show you. Because this way I am really prepared for the summer, because the sands and all of that will stay here and it's going to be much easier to clean. So guys, finally feedback, and to close this video, I do believe that they are worth it. I would prefer to have a different material, not this plastic, but a more rubbery material, but it fits well. It fits perfectly on the G6. And for the idea that I have for these mats, I believe that they are a good addition, so that we, in the summer, for instance, when going to the beach and stuff like that, after some sand, some dirt, and all of that, we can easily clean the car. So I do recommend them. There are many options available in the market. So if you prefer a different type of material, there are with different prices, of course, but there are different options. But I do recommend to put something that it's easier to clean. So thank you very much again for being here. I hope this video helped anyone, and if so, please leave your like, leave your comment, share the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.